Good afternoon. All right, so today we're going to learn how to count rhythms. We have tried other strategic ways which haven't been working, so hopefully this will work today. Starting off, before we continue to what's going to be on the test, we're going to first start off with the basic common notes. So starting with the time signature, again, when you see the top four up here, that means beats per measure. Right, so in this measure, this line right here, this line where you see, that is the measure. So from here to here is the measure. So in this box, that note's going to occupy, or going to have to occupy up to 4. Now a whole note, we said, has 4 beats. And the way you would play a whole note would be strum once, ring 3 more times. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you were to clap it, it would be 1 clap, and it would hold out for 3 counts. So it would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how to draw that? So when we strum, blow, bow, or clap, that number is going to be a big number, because that's the number that we're physically engaging in. Now the other numbers are going to be small. So you're going to draw a little 2, a little 3, and a little 4. So it would look like that. Again, big number, clap. Little numbers, we do not clap. So a whole note has 4 beats. Now, coming here to the half notes, we have 2 half notes. Half notes have 2 beats per measure, so we do need 2 to complete up to 4. And again, the way you would count a half note would be 1, 2. So that number you clap is going to be big. So big 1, little 2. Obviously, we need to reach to 4. So the next one, if the first number we're clapping and the second we're not, by process of elimination, the big 3, the 3 is going to be big, and then it's going to hold out to the little 4. So it's going to look like that, and it's going to sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the bottom, we have 4 quarter notes, and each quarter note has about 1 beat. So up to 4, all those numbers are going to be big. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, you would clap each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the 8 notes, again, we're going to be using the term and, because there are 2 eighth notes conjoined together, which means there are 2 eighth notes together. You can see the stick here combining each head here. You see the stem, then you see the line keeping them together, like if they're holding hands. When they're like that, when they're conjoined, you're going to count them as 1 and 2 and here we have 4 right here. That's a pair of 8 notes. 4 pairs of 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you were to count each head individually, it would be 8 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, the way you would clap that is all big. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And the way you would clap that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, this is the proper way you need to write the notes on the rhythmic parts for the test. Please click on the next video to go through more further instruction.